You've probably seen Philip Johansson popping up on TikTok, Instagram Reels, or even Facebook ads talking about his 7-figure accelerator. He promises a done-for-you affiliate system that can generate high-ticket commissions, even if you're a complete beginner. Sounds tempting, right? Who wouldn't want to build a 6 or even 7-figure business using short-form content and a ready-made system? But here's the thing, when something looks this simple and this lucrative, the real question is, what's the catch? Hey everyone, welcome back to the Digital Money Moves, where we review online business programs and affiliate courses so you know exactly what's worth your time and money. In this video, I'm giving you my full, honest 7-figure accelerator review. I'll break down what's inside, what it really teaches, the actual cost, and most importantly, whether or not it's worth your investment. Make sure you watch until the end, because I'll also share some hidden truths and details most reviews don't mention. Let's get started. Before we dive deeper into the program, let's talk about the man behind it, Philip Johansson. Philip isn't your typical suit anti-guru. Just a few years ago, he was a broke plumber from Denmark, nearly $50,000 in debt and stuck in the 9-to-5 grind. Instead of staying there, he turned to online marketing, specifically high-ticket affiliate marketing, and cracked the code on using short-form content like TikToks and Reels to drive traffic and make big commissions. Since then, he's built a multi-million-dollar business and now teaches others to do the same. He's been featured on podcasts, built a loyal community, and many of his students are showing real results. Philip's style is raw and unfiltered. Some people love his high-energy, no-excuses approach, while others find it a bit too much. But whether you like his delivery or not, he's not hiding behind a sales page. He's active online every day, creating content, showing proof, and walking the talk. With that in mind, let's take a closer look at what you actually get when you join the 7-figure accelerator. Because flashy marketing is one thing, but does the program itself deliver? Alright, now let's break down what you actually get inside the 7-figure accelerator. At the core of the program are the step-by-step training modules. Philip walks you through building a high-ticket affiliate business from scratch, even if you're a complete beginner. The main strategy centers on short-form videos, TikToks, Reels, and Shorts to grab attention, build trust, and drive traffic into a high-converting sales funnel. Here's what the modules cover. How to set up your social profiles for success. How to create scroll-stopping short videos that can go viral. How to structure content so people know, like, and trust you. How to drive free traffic to your funnel using organic reach. And finally, how to turn those leads into real high-ticket commissions. Then you get the done-for-you assets, ready-to-use funnels, email follow-up sequences, video scripts, Canva templates, and plug-and-play systems for capturing leads and closing sales. Instead of spending weeks figuring it out, you can personalize these resources and launch quickly. There's also a mindset and productivity section. This might surprise you, but Philip doesn't just talk tactics, he covers how to stay consistent, handle imposter syndrome, and push through rejection or slow results. Because let's be honest, most people fail because of mindset, not strategy. Next, you get weekly live coaching calls. Every week Philip and his coaches host group sessions on Zoom, where you can ask questions, get feedback on your content or funnel, and see what's working for other members. This kind of ongoing mentorship is something most courses lack. On top of that, there's a private support community. Inside the Facebook group you can share wins, get feedback, and connect with other affiliates who are on the same journey. Many members post about hitting their first $1,000 or even $10,000 months, which really helps keep motivation high. And yes, there's also an affiliate program built in. Once you're a member, you can promote the 7-figure accelerator itself for $500 plus commissions per sale. It's a learn and earn model, apply what you're taught, and potentially make your money back quickly. Finally, Philip keeps things fresh with bonuses and challenges. These include 30-day content challenges to build momentum, guest expert trainings on topics like branding and sales psychology, and advanced lessons on scaling with paid ads or even launching your own product later on. By the time you finish the program, you don't just understand affiliate marketing in theory, you have a complete, ready-to-run business built around short-form content, funnels, and high-ticket offers. So what makes the 7-figure accelerator stand out from the dozens of other affiliate programs out there? First, the fast-track onboarding. As soon as you join, you're guided through a clear action plan so you don't feel overwhelmed. From day one, you know exactly what steps to take. Second, the focus on organic lead generation. Instead of pushing you straight into paid ads, Philip shows you how to use short-form content to attract leads for free. This is huge for beginners who don't have a big budget but still want fast results. Third, the daily content structure. You're not left guessing what to post. The program gives you formulas, hooks, and even content calendars so you can stay consistent without burning out. Fourth, the DM conversion strategy. This is one of the overlooked skills in affiliate marketing. Philip shows you how to turn comments and likes into real conversations that close into high-ticket sales without sounding pushy or spammy. And finally, there's the accountability factor. Weekly progress check-ins and live calls keep you moving forward, even when motivation dips. Instead of a watch-and-forget course, you're plugged into a system that pushes you to take action step by step. These features make the 7-Figure Accelerator more than just a course, it's a complete ecosystem designed to help you succeed faster and with less trial and error. Now let's talk about pricing, because this is where most people hesitate before joining. The 7-Figure Accelerator is normally priced at around $4,000, but right now Philip is offering it for $1,997 as a one-time payment. There's also a flexible payment plan, $1,000 upfront and 2 more payments of $1,000, so you can get started for $1,000 today. Yes, it's a serious investment. But here's the way Philip positions it. The program teaches you to earn $500 to $1,000 commissions per sale. That means just 2 or 3 sales could cover the cost of the course. When you think about it, starting an online business usually costs a lot more, whether that's buying inventory for e-commerce, paying for coaching, or even a college degree that may never pay off. Compared to that, this is a complete business model with training, funnels, coaching, and community all included. Of course, the price tag might feel high if you're brand new or not ready to commit. But for someone serious about building a real affiliate business, the value is definitely there. So the real question isn't just, can I afford it? It's, am I ready to actually put in the work and use the system to earn it back? One of the best ways to judge a program is by looking at the results from real students. And the 7-Figure Accelerator has some powerful success stories. Take Edward Duong, he joined with no prior experience, just a desire for more freedom. Within 30 days, he made over $60,000 in commissions while traveling the world and working straight from his phone. Then there's Antonio, a cancer survivor who decided to take control of his future after recovering from a life-changing battle. Despite having no tech background, he followed the training and generated $15,000 in just 7 days. And finally, Dan, a college student who realized the traditional path wasn't for him. He went all in on the accelerator, and now he's making over $44,000 per month with high-ticket affiliate marketing. Now, it's important to note, these results aren't typical. They took massive action and treated this like a real business. But their stories do show what's possible if you're committed and consistent. Alright, let's take a balanced look at the 7-Figure Accelerator with some quick pros and cons. Pros. Step-by-step beginner-friendly training, the program is broken down into clear weekly modules that anyone can follow. High-ticket focus, instead of $10 products, you're earning $500 to $1,000 plus commissions per sale. No product creation or tech overwhelm, everything is done for you, funnels, email scripts, templates. Proven short-form content strategy using TikTok, Reels, and Shorts to drive free traffic fast. Live coaching and support, weekly Zoom calls and a private community mean you're never left on your own. Real student success stories, plenty of members have scaled to $1,000, $10,000, even beyond $40,000 per month. Ongoing updates and bonus trainings, challenges, expert interviews, and fresh content keep it relevant. Cons. The price, $1,997, where the payment plan is a big investment, especially if you're just starting out. It requires consistent effort, you'll need to create short-form content regularly to see results. It's not a magic button, while the system is proven, you still have to put in the work and take action. Overall, the pros definitely outweigh the cons, but it's important to know what you're stepping into before joining. Then, is Philip Johansson's 7-Figure Accelerator actually worth it? Here's my honest verdict: if you're serious about building an affiliate business using short-form content and you're ready to put in consistent effort, this program can be a powerful shortcut. The training is detailed, the done-for-you systems save you time, and the live coaching and community give you real accountability. But if you're not comfortable creating short-form videos, or you're looking for a free traffic or passive approach, then this might not be the right fit for you. It's designed for action takers who are ready to show up consistently and invest in themselves. Overall, the 7-Figure Accelerator is one of the most complete programs I've seen for high-ticket affiliate marketing. If you want to check out all the details, I've left the official link in the description below. And if you found this review helpful, give the video a like, it really helps the channel. Subscribe to the Digital Money Moves for more honest reviews and online business strategies, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss future uploads. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you there.